guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing this look that looks super simple but takes a bit of time for me to do. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So I've already got my base on, obviously, so I'm just going to fill out my brows a bit. My voice is giving up. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill out my brows a bit, and this is the Studio 10 Brow Lift Perfecting Liner. And yeah, it's just a pen, I'm gonna sharpen it. Brows can look, like with these sort of pens, I think the brows can look a bit harsh, maybe. But right now I don't care. And I'm going to do my best not to make them look like that, but yeah. Like so. When doing your brows with a pen like this, I would just say go in super soft to make it not look as harsh. They look pretty harsh anyways, but yeah. There is also a correcting side, like a concealer side, but I'm not using that. I put some concealer and powder on my lids, so I'm gonna count that as a concealer. No, a primer. So next I'm going in with the Twilight eyeshadow palette by Model's Own. I'm taking the color Cave and I'm putting this on my lid. Looks super dark, but it isn't as dark, and it's a pretty sheer color, so probably won't do that much anyways. Okay, it turned out darker now than it did when I swatched it. So I'm just grabbing another brush and I'm blending this out a bit. Well, now it's not as harsh anymore. I should really get Linda Hallberg Cosmetics palettes because I would love to put some duochrome on this. For right now, I'm taking the color Moonlight and I'm putting this on top of what I've got. I'm just using a finger. And next I'm taking the Jelly Pong 2-in-1 eyeliner and shadow. And I will be putting this on a brush and make a liner. like so, and I will also be putting this in my upper waterline. And now I'm going back in with the Twilight palette. And I'm using the color Eclipse to smudge out the liner a bit on the inside. And next I'm going to do mascara, so I'm using the Very Me Extendalash mascara from Oriflame. I'm just gonna keep that there because I think that it looks great. I don't think I'm gonna do anything more on the eyes, except remove this eventually. So I'm just gonna finish my face, and as usual, I'm using the Infinity palette by Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm using the colors Mafe and Cigar for shading. And for blush, I'm going in with the color Andromeda. And for highlight, I think I'm going to mix the colors Virgio and Milky Way. And for lipstick, I'm using the lipstick Sugar Daddy from Medusa's Makeup. Like so. So this is the finished look, you guys. It is a very simple look. Well, it looks very simple, but I hate doing, well, I don't hate doing them, but liners like these, they take a bit of time, at least for me. This is the finished look, you guys. I already filmed an outro and an intro, but I forgot to remove the little mascara spot. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought about the video or what you want to see in the future. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!